habang buhay ka pa, may pwede ka pang gawin para bumawi. It's not going to be ideal. It's not going to be easy. Harapin natin yan. It's not going to be perfect. It's going to be different. It may take more time. It may take more effort. It may take more people working together to make it happen. Pero hindi ibig sabihin ng nag-fail ka ng isang beses, yun na yun. Sirang-sira ka na. Again, coming from someone who thought that way. Na feeling ko, okay, if I don't succeed, if I don't, hindi lang pumasa ha, ang feeling ko nun, kailangan flat one lahat. Yung pressure na yun, feeling ko nun, katapusan ko na. At yun yung sumira din sa akin. So, I'm saying this, hindi dahil madali yung realization na yun. I'm saying this because I know what that decision cost me. It brought me to a point where I felt like I was worthless, I was useless. The best thing I could ever be would be a cautionary tale sa ibang tao na yung, huwag mong tularan yan. Diba? Nilamon na ng katalinuhan niya yan. Sayang, isang malaking sayang na lang habang buhay. And I'm so grateful na it didn't turn out that way. So that maybe if you're listening to this episode and thinking that way na, ako, hindi ako masyadong successful ito sa last kong endeavor, wala na akong kwenta.